Hey guys, unboxing the Nokia 8.3 in this video. This phone has probably had the most disrupted release ever. It was launched back in March 2020 but only found its way to stores in September, and that too in very few countries. It's taken a further 5 months to come to the Middle East and still has a way to go before it's available everywhere. These delays are also the reason why the next James Bond movie has been postponed. The 8.3 is featured in the movie and can be seen in the trailer, but because of delays, HMD has made the movie producers do reshoots just so they can show what the next future model from Nokia is. I managed to get my hands on the pre-order bundle, and this includes a set of truly wireless earphones called the Nokia Earbuds Lite. We also have a 128 GB memory card provided with this bundle. The box is a bit flat when you compare to those of other smartphone manufacturer, but it is pretty much standard for Nokia smartphones boxes. You can see the Nokia 8, the first ever Android smartphone. Obviously, they went for the nostalgia factor with the image of the two hands holding each other, but pretty much the standard thing. On the back, you have the image of the phone and the technical specs of the phone. Now, let's get to unboxing the phone. As you can see, let me just move this earbuds aside, and there we go. The phone, that's quite a big phone. It's a 6.9-inch phone. It's not small by any means of the word. Even the Note series by Samsung isn't this big. Let me just get it out of there. There we go. The shine is amazing. The phone is a bit weighted. It's not too light. It doesn't feel plasticky. The material in the back is really nice. It's got a nice reflective blue tint look to it. They only have it in one color. There's no other colors, unlike the previous Nokia smartphones. The SIM pin is there in that, and these are just the normal user manuals and quick start guides, I think. Yeah, in English and Arabic because it's the Middle East phone. Then we have the case for the phone. It's a clear case, has a textured feel on one side. Obviously quite flimsy, nothing great, but it's good that they give a case. Then here we probably have the charger and adapter and everything. Yeah, there we go. That's the charger. Oops. There we go. Yeah, it has a Nokia branding on it, and feels quite weighted. It's not too light or cheap in any way. Then what else do we have here? There we go. The USB cable, Type C on one end and normal USB on the other side. Then we have the earphones. Okay, it's a basic looking earphones from Nokia, black in color. So this is pretty much everything you get with the Nokia 8.3 in its box. Let's now move to the Nokia Earbuds Lite. It's a pretty standard looking box. Let me just lift it, and you can see some random details in the back, including the battery and all that stuff. And other than that, it's pretty much a standard box, quite small, quite light as well. So let me just open it up. Yeah, there we go. So it's a nice looking color. It's a bluish gray color. Then let me just open it. You have a USB Type C charging port on the back. There's some usual details, made in China, obviously. It's quite light. Let me open this. You have the actual earbuds. Again, even these feel really, really light. There's no weight to them whatsoever. I understand they call the earbuds light, but this is super light. Even the clicking in, as you can, if you can hear it, it's not that. It doesn't feel like good quality or something. It just feels cheap. Like even the box in itself, like it just feels cheap. It's not like the AirPods or anything from Apple or other better smartphone earbuds. Let me just open this now. Let's see what have they given other than that. Oh, okay. So we have the charging cable for this as well. The same USB Type C on one end and normal USB on the other end. Then we have a book, a quick start guide for this. The quick start guide is bigger than the actual phone's quick start guide. Then what else do we have? A warranty card or something. Not that important. Anything else? On the other side we have the something here. Oh, okay. So these are the ear cups or whatever they're called for. Like depending on your comfort, whatever you can change it in the earbuds. So not bad. It's pretty nicely done. This is what you get with the Nokia Earbuds Lite. Alright, so back to the phone now. Let me just get it out of its plastic wrapping there. Where's it now? Yeah, so there we go. Let me just get it out. Alright, ooh, so there's one more sticker inside the sticker. So this shows just the some of the details of the phone. Android 11 ready, size lens in the back for the cameras, 6.9-inch screen, blah blah blah. Let me just get this out of the way. 1 second, there we go. Ooh, that feels real nice. Disappointingly, it doesn't come with its own scratch card, so you're gonna have to get that from outside. But as you can see, compared to the old Nokia 8, it is huge. Like, this phone is big. It looks really nice. The reflection in the back is nice. The finish is amazing, and it feels very nice in the hand as well. And as you can see, let me just get this on. This phone screen is bigger than the previous phone entirely. Like, that's how huge this phone is. They aren't messing around with the size of this phone. If you put it side by side, you guys can see it's quite huge. Yeah, like, it's big. Anyways, this is the Nokia 8.3, guys. If you like the video, do hit like, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.